This video is for diamond painters who have over-purchased diamond art kits faster than they are able to complete them, or have a bunch of kits that they're just no longer interested in, or they feel overwhelmed by the amount of boxes that are taking over their space. I'm going to share how I went from 300 canvases to 98 in less than 6 months by destashing those unwanted kits. This is what you're going to need: a positive attitude and some energy, the willingness to follow through with the process. And you have to be willing to go through your stash and find the canvases, and you probably already know in the back of your mind which ones they are. They're the ones that you've been sitting on the longest and haven't wanted to do. You also need to join a Facebook Destash group, create a Mercari account, or an eBay account. You don't have to do all three, just do one. You need a scale, and you can use your bathroom scale where you weigh yourself, a ruler, a pirate shipping account, a printer to print the label, brown shipping paper, or brown boxes. You can also buy sleeves if you don't have those plastic sleeves anymore, and a PayPal account. You'll need shipping tape. All of these things you can get on Amazon, and they're not expensive. You don't have to spend a lot of money for them. Think about how much money is sitting in your closet that you're not doing anything with, okay? You can make some money back. You may not make back all of what you spent for those kits, and that is key here, because I see a lot of people trying to destash on Facebook groups, Mercari, and their product isn't moving because people expect for destash buyers to pay retail plus shipping when that kit that they are trying to sell you. You could go to Diamond Art Club's website, use the VIP group code, get 15% off and free shipping. Why would anybody want to pay the full retail, join the VIP Facebook group, get 15% off every diamond painting you ever purchase in the future from Diamond Art Club? And don't ever just buy one kit. Buy two, or buy a kit and a pen, or a kit and a multi-placer. Anything over $75, you get free shipping. People that are selling you their destash kits, they didn't pay full retail for this, and they didn't pay for shipping. So why are you going to do that? And one of the things that you need to know about these destash kits that you're purchasing, look at the description beneath the image on the website, and it'll tell you when the image was released. And the reason is that it could be an older canvas and drills just packaged in a new box, but old stock. Now, I know there may be some of you out there that say, oh no, they're only sending out new canvases and new drills. No, they're not. I know from experience. Look at the release date. Otherwise, you could be getting an older canvas and older drills, and you are going to be disappointed because everybody else is getting the best of the best, the newest stuff. I'm at the point in my journey where I only purchase new releases. I'm not buying anything if it was released prior to 2024, because anything prior to 2024 is going to have old canvases, old drills, old perforated covers or non-perforated covers, especially if you're purchasing from a destash group. I'm telling you because I have purchased them, learned from experience the mistakes, and I want to share it with the community. So those of you that are new or don't know about this, don't make the same mistake that I made, where you have 300 kits in your stash and you're finding this out because you purchased them from destash groups and nobody told you how old they were. You didn't realize how old they were. All right, so you are better off waiting for a new canvas to be released. If you're on a destash group, you don't even realize how old that canvas is. So look it up. Look it up on the Diamond Art Club website. You can also go to archived kits. 2 sections come up for archived kits, and only one of them will show you the actual archived kits. And that's where you can find those older unicorns or whatever release dates. Okay. The other thing is these destash kits that you're purchasing that are older, the canvas grid and the drills are older. And the new pens that they're selling today that you bought as a new painter, they don't work with the older drills. It's not the same. The drills now are flatter. They're just flatter. They're not as bulky and as big as they used to be. So when you try to use your current Diamond Art Club pen and tips, they're not going to place easily because of how fat and bulky that these old drills are. And the grids were tighter. These are just warnings. This is just my opinion. Take it however you wish. I, unfortunately, purchased many destashes and older kits, even from Diamond Art Club. and then realized it wasn't worth it. Don't pay the arm and the leg that these Destash groups are asking you to pay for their kits. People are desperate out there to get these older images, and people are paying like $160. I did it. I paid a lot of money for Secret Garden. I'm glad I bought the Diamond Art Club one. I just want to tell you the truth. Join the Facebook Destash group. Have a look around. Look and see, what are other people posting? What are the prices? If you want to get rid of your stash, you're going to need to accept the fact that you need to drop the prices. Or the people out there that are looking for these kits, stop paying those high costs. It's not worth it. You are better off to go directly to Diamond Art Club's website and wait for that old kit. I don't care if it's archived. It's still not worth it. You can find something else that's better, that's releases this Saturday. It's well worth your money to wait than it is to go and feed this frenzy of the Destashes that are charging the retail price at Diamond Art Club. They didn't pay retail that they're charging you today. Save your money. Do what makes sense. One of the reasons I feel so strongly about this is because I have destashed so many kits and I have never sold it for retail, ever. But that's why I was able to sell. I sold 150 in 6 months. But you have to come down on your price. Give people a reason to want to buy your stash. I see a lot of people in the Facebook group, posting they want $80 for something that you could go pay $80 now and get it shipped to you for free. You're going to join the Facebook group. You're going to make sure you have your supplies. And then you're going to just pull that box out, get you a sticky note, put your name on it and the date on it, and use your phone and take a picture of it. Take your little sticky note photo with your Diamond Art Club canvas and the wording that I'm going to give you down below. Modify it a little bit and slap that baby up on that Destash group, and you're going to sell. It's going to sell. And if it doesn't fast enough, then bring your price down. Just edit your post. Be like, update, discounting, and lower your price. And it'll sell. It will sell. Another method that you can use is go to Mercari and use the Mercari site. That's very easy to do, but you're going to pay fees for that. But for me, it was worth it. It's all a matter of what's worth it to you to get rid of these, to decrease your stash so that you can bring in new kits to do. And then you just wait, okay? And then someone's going to ask you, like I did this last week. I posted a price and someone came back and they said, hey, would you be willing to take $10 less than the $50? And I'm like, you know what? Yes. To get it out of my house so that I don't have another box sitting in there rotting for the next 3 years. And it's an old kit that I'm not going to want to do and they want it. You can have it for $40. You got to do what's comfortable for you. We've posted it up there on Facebook, what we want to destash, or we've put it on Mercari's website. Now someone says they're interested in it. Take that kit that's in that box and you're going to go to pirateship.com and you're going to create an account, and it's free to create the account. You're going to ask that person, okay, you want to buy this from me? Great. What is your address so I can ship it to you and get you a quote for shipping, because you want them to pay for shipping cost. You go to Pirate. There's a place in there where you can enter their address. You're going to take your ruler and you're going to measure it. So you can go on Amazon and buy boxes, brown boxes, to put these boxes in to ship these. Or you can just use brown wrapping shipping paper, which is what I do the majority of the time. I just ship the box, wrap it in brown shipping paper, put that in Pirate Ship. You go to your bathroom scale, you weigh yourself, get off the scale, pick up the box, step on the scale. What's the difference? That's how much it weighs. You go back over to Pirate Ship and you put that in, and it'll give you rates. It'll tell you what it's going to cost for you to ship this box. You tell people up front, it costs this much plus shipping. You give them the shipping price, and they're like, okay, here's my PayPal email. Send me a request and I'll send you the funds. You go over to PayPal, request funds. You put their email in, it pulls them up, and you just type in that little box. I put the name of the kit plus shipping and that total amount. Just request it. You hit the request button. So you request the funds brands, they get a notification, they pay. You go back to pirate shipping, a label's generated. You print that label, you stick it on that box. If you're wrapping that box in brown shipping paper, get the thick shipping tape, and you're going to want to cover that brown shipping paper with as much of that tape around it so that it is protected from rain. You attach that label that you just printed by pirate ship. You can drop it off at your closest UPS store. I highly recommend you use UPS. The other thing that you can do with pirate shipping is you can say, I want to schedule a pickup. They will pick up from your house. You don't ever have to leave your house. Then you go back to that little message where they sent you the email and told you they paid because it went through their PayPal, and you say, okay, I'll get this shipped out for you tomorrow or whenever your time frame is for you. But you send them the tracking label. That's it. You're done. It's amazing. It's easy. It's not hard at all. You do it in your time frame. I challenge you to just do it once. I would love to hear your success. Okay, everybody, that's all I have. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next one.